So guys, for the first method, you want to make sure the actual speakers are turned on. So in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click, and then make sure that this is actually set to the max, or anywhere that's above like 80. And then see if this fixes your problem. Make sure that this is not muted. And you also want to click on this thing right here, and make sure the correct output device has been selected. You may have multiple ones, select the right one. Now for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs, and then you want to find your speakers. So you want to right click on your speakers, click on uninstall, click on uninstall again. Now once you uninstalled it, you want to click on action, and then click on scan for hardware changes, and then it will appear again. Now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down, and then you want to click on more sound settings. And now this will appear. You want to make sure that your playback speakers have been set as your default device. So click on your speakers and then click on set default, and then the green tick will appear here, which is now default device. And then for the advanced tab, you want to set this quality to the highest one that you have. And then you want to untick both of these and then click on OK. If that's still not working for the last method, you want to head over to search and then type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then next to the audio tab, you want to click on run. You want to follow all the steps that will come up. If that's still not working, you just want to unplug your speakers and then plug it into a different port on your computer. And you could also just do a simple restart and then see if that works for you. But if that's still not working after all these methods, it might just be broken. So you might have to just get a new one.